Once again, we're back together. So we're looking at question 3.3 from our technical maths exam from 2024 in May and June. So please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you're part of the family. All right, let's get right into it. So they say to us, we've got 5x plus 2 minus 5 raised to the exponent of x, which is equal to 600. Now, I want you to note, in this case, I'm going to write these separately. So that's 5 raised to the exponent of x multiplied by 5 squared. Now, note in this case, we said if the bases are the same and we are multiplying, we add the exponents, right? So this is 5 raised to the exponent of x, and that will give us 600. Now, I want you to note, in this case, we've got a common factor, which is 5 raised to the exponent of x. So we're taking that out as a common factor. What are we left with? We've got 5 squared minus 1. And this is equal to 600. Okay? So that's going to give us 5x, 5 raised to the exponent x. 5 squared is 25 minus 1. So that's 24, which is equal to 600. So we can divide both sides by 24. All right. Well, we're going to say 600 divided by 24. Okay, I get 25. All right, so we can solve for x by simply saying, well, 5 raised to the exponent x. How can we write 25 as a base of 5? That's 5 squared. And we know that if our bases are the same and we've got an equal sign in between, then we can drop down the exponents. So it means that therefore x must be equal to 2. All right. So that is really how the cookie crumbles on this question. So we are going to be continuing with question 4 on to our next video, okay? Or actually question 3.4 rather, on to our next video. But for now, we will leave it there. I'll see you guys next time. Sharp, sharp.